These new Gemini tricks are absolutely insane. Google just dropped Gemini 2.5 and it can literally control your browser like a human. I'm talking clicking buttons, filling forms, and navigating websites automatically. And that's just the beginning. I tested all three versions and found hacks that will blow your mind. The coding one saves me 10 hours a week, plus it turns videos into full working apps in minutes. I'll show you the exact prompts I use. This is next level AI automation. Let's dive in. Google just gave Gemini a massive brain upgrade, and I'm not talking about small improvements. I'm talking about AI that can actually use your web browser. It clicks things, it types things, it drags things like a real person. This is Gemini 2.5 and it has three flavors: Pro for the hardest thinking tasks, Flash for speed and scale, and Computer use for browser automation. I tested all three and found tricks that changed how I work. The first trick lets AI browse websites for you. The second trick builds apps from videos. And the third trick writes production level code in seconds. And I'll show you the exact prompts. I'll show you the demos and I'll show you how to use this today. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below which trick you want to try first. Let's start with the craziest one: browser automation. Gemini 2.5. Computer use is not like other AI models. It can see your screen, it can click buttons, it can fill out forms, and it can navigate websites step by step. Here's how it works. You give it a task. It takes a screenshot of your browser. It decides what to do next. It performs an action like clicking or typing. Then it takes another screenshot, and it keeps going until the task is done. This is called the screenshot loop. It's how the AI sees and interacts with websites. No API access needed, no special integrations, just screenshots and actions. I tested this with a web form. I told Gemini to fill it out and submit it. The AI opened the page, it read the fields, it typed the information, it uploaded a file, and it clicked submit all by itself. This works because computer use treats your browser like a human would. It looks at the visual layout, it finds the right buttons, and it performs the actions in order. You can use this for data entry. You can use it for research. You can use it for testing websites. The possibilities are huge. Here's a simple prompt template: system message, you are a browser assistant. Task: navigate to this website, find the contact form, fill it with this data, and submit. That's it. You give it the goal. It figures out the steps, and it executes them one by one. Now let's talk about building apps from videos. Gemini 2.5 Pro is the strongest reasoning model in the lineup. Indeed, it can handle text, images, audio, video, and large code bases all at once. I tested a wild use case. I uploaded a lecture video, and I asked Gemini to turn it into a learning app with chapters, with a quiz, and with a summary. It worked in minutes. Then I asked it to scaffold a web app. Gemini wrote the HTML, it wrote the CSS, it wrote the JavaScript, and it organized everything into a working prototype. This is huge for content creators. You record a video, you upload it to Gemini, and you get an interactive learning experience. No developer needed. Gemini 2.5 Pro understands the video, it extracts the key points, and it turns them into structured content. Then it writes the code to display that content. I tested this in AI Studio. That's Google's interface for experimenting with Gemini models. You upload your files, you write your prompt, and you get results in real time. The speed is wild, from video to working app in under 5 minutes. That used to take hours or even days. If you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, check out my AI Profit Boardroom at school.com/AI Profit Lab 7462/about. It's the best place to learn how to get more customers and automate your workflows with AI. Now back to the coding tricks. Gemini Code Assist and Gemini 2.5 Flash are game changers for developers. They handle large code bases, they write clean code, and they do it fast. I tested a refactoring task. I had a Python function that was slow and messy. I asked Gemini to refactor it for performance, and I asked for tests and an explanation. The prompt was: system, you are an experienced Python engineer. Task: in repository/src, find function, calculate underscore scores, and refactor for performance. Provide tests and explain complexity. Gemini analyzed the code, it identified the bottlenecks, it rewrote the function, it added unit tests, and it explained the time complexity. The whole process took 30 seconds. An hour? Here's the key. Use Gemini 2.5 Pro for complex reasoning tasks. Use Gemini 2.5 Flash for high volume tasks. Flash is faster and cheaper. Pro is more accurate and thorough. For example, if you're writing a new algorithm, use Pro. If you're generating boilerplate code, use Flash. Pick the right tool for the job. I also tested Flash on test generation. I gave it a module. I asked for full test coverage. It wrote 50 test cases in 10 seconds, all properly structured, all passing. This is where AI shines. Repetitive tasks, large code bases, refactoring, documentation, testing. These used to be slow and boring. Now they're automated. Code Assist integrates with your IDE. It suggests code as you type. It completes functions and it explains what the code does. It's like having a senior engineer pair programming with you. It cuts my development time in half. Now, let me show you some bonus hacks that will blow your mind. Gemini 2.5. Flash Image is optimized for image tasks. It can generate images, it can edit images, and it does it fast. I tested on the fly aspect ratio generation. I asked for a landscape image, then I asked for the same image in portrait, then square, all in seconds. The quality is great, the edits are clean, and it handles different styles and formats. You can use this for marketing materials, social media posts, thumbnails, anything visual. Now let's talk about safety and pricing because this matters. Computer use is powerful, but it has limits. You should not use it for unauthorized access. You should not use it to bypass captchas, and you should not use it to steal credentials. These are ethical and legal boundaries. Google built safety features into the model, but you still need to use it responsibly. All right? The model is optimized for browser tasks, not for controlling your whole operating system. That's intentional. It keeps things focused and safe. Rate limits apply. The API has usage caps. Check the Vertex AI documentation for exact numbers. They vary by tier and region. Pricing depends on the model. Pro is more expensive but more capable. Flash is cheaper and faster. Flash Image is optimized for visual tasks. Pick based on your use case. If you need the best reasoning, use Pro. If you need scale and speed, use Flash. If you need image work, use Flash Image. Now let's wrap this up. These 3 tricks changed how I use AI. Browser automation saves me hours on repetitive web tasks, video to app generation, speeds up content creation, and supercharged coding cuts my development time in half. The exact prompts are simple. Give clear instructions, specify the output format, and let Gemini do the rest. Which hack should you try first? If you make something with computer use, comment below and tell me what you built. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts and a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. And if you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation, join my AI Profit Boardroom at school.com/AI Profit Lab 7462/about. It's the best place to learn advanced AI strategies. Gemini 2.5 is a massive upgrade. The thinking is stronger, the multimodal abilities are better, and the new computer use model opens up wild possibilities. I'll keep testing these tools, I'll keep finding new hacks, and I'll keep sharing what works. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below. What do you want to see next? What should I test? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.